Install the cart's slot position seat, a plastic storage small box, 2 rear support, and fix with 4 pieces of M5 x 16 screws to rear cover. By using 4 pieces of MA x 30 screws, fix rear seat pedal to car's frame. Step 1. Fix rear seat front support, left or right, to frame by M6 x 40 screw. Step 2. Fix rear seat back support, left or right, to frame by MA x 40 screw. All the screws don't need tighten. Install the seat, which was equipped with rear seat support, on the cart. Tighten front support by 2 pieces of MA x 40 screws, and back support by 2 pieces of MA x 70 screws. Tighten all screws. Fix rear seat armrest to rear seat pedal with 2 pieces of MA x 30 and 1 piece of MA x 50 screw.